Hello and welcome to a short video on my software Mystro, the professional high-end software for BaZi, date select, and Feng Shui. And I want to show you in several videos, rough videos, just to make as many as possible in a short time on one of the facets of this software. If you want to learn more in print, then go to my website, Mystro Feng Shui software. Now, for today, I want to focus on a specific aspect of the Feng Shui part, which I called directions number 2. And sure enough, there's also directions number 1, which you can find on my channel. I will switch to the software itself now and show you on the screen. From the other video, you may remember this floor plan and Jenny Luck, and what the areas in this apartment mean for her, and that the missing east is her area of well-being, so she might not be that well off in this apartment. Now, before going on to her partner, John Rich, in this apartment, and his version of the qualities of the sectors, I want to show you a little bit more about what this means, 80 well-being. And many people have different opinions on how to name these qualities, and I want to show you that you can switch between a lot of those in the software Mystro. You may not recognize much on this sheet, but it gives you an idea of the many variations which you can use to adapt the software to your own liking. So what we saw before was this list here from +90 creation and wealth down to -90 trials and tribulations. That's the list to the left here. And for the list, you can choose from many various things, which is in use by many different masters. So now you have this one and you want to do away with the second list, then just choose list number 1 and you will have the ability to display this in the chart with the apartment. I don't want to go on this, but just to give you an idea, you can follow the terminology and you can follow the methodology of any of the great masters which you may have studied with, and you can use the software Mystro and be happy in applying what you know. Now, as promised, I want to go back to Jenny and her partner John, and here's some key aspects with their date of birth and their star and fate number from the hexagram terminology, and also the yearly Gua number, which is the reason for the qualities I showed you before. And as you can see, they are born in the same year, which means that we have different numbers for male and female. So 2 means that John is from the West group, whereas 1 means Jenny is from the East group. And by the way, in this sheet, and there's many sheets in this software, there's a lot more information in there. I just show you a little bit more in here before going on to the next aspect, which I want to show you in this little video. So here we are back to the apartment and the quality of the directions for Jenny. The colored ones are the good ones for her. And let's replace it now with the chart for her partner. I did prepare the chart for her partner before doing this video. At some other time, I will show you how easy it is to do it. It's just 1 click or 2 clicks away for you. So here you go with the qualities of the directions for John now. As you can see, it's the West group now, so all the highlighted areas are his good areas. And so it's all different from his partner. So what to do to have a good environment for both of them, for example, for her bed, because it should be a good direction for both. Now let's use another graphical element in the software. This is the result of the directions with the areas in gray, brown for the West group, and the good areas in green for the East group. And the good thing here is that we do not only have 8 directions, but 24 mountains, and those mountains may have different qualities. So the small dots here give the quality for the group for the mountain. And as you can see, for example, here, the overall quality for the sector is West, and there's one good aspect in green for the East group. So this holds for the full apartment, but sure enough, it also holds for the bedroom, which is this one here. So let's do this a little bit smaller. So let's adjust this in size a little bit to the room, so we see a little bit more here. So this is the door to the bedroom, so this would be a nice area for the bed. And this is a good area for the person in the West group. And as you can see, there's small green dots here. So if we place a bed in this room and have it with the head of the bed facing the green direction, then we have a situation where it's good for both persons. So even for 2 persons with different qualities of the direction, it is possible to find one or more directions which suits both, and you can always find a solution, and you can find even better solutions using Mystro because there's more specific ways to align any kind of furniture, but this is for another video about that. For today, I hope that this was interesting for you. Just a small of the many facets of the software Mystro, which can bring you more success with less effort. If you're a professional, or if you're not a professional but want to become one, or just want to study Feng Shui for yourself, you can do that also. And the software can bring you a lot of information, and I can coach you to learn all the different features. My name is Andreas Schöning. I've been developing this software since long, and I have a lot of experience as Feng Shui consultant, and I will be happy to serve you. You may call me or you may send me a message on any of these numbers or various modes to contact me, and I will be happy to hear from you, and more so, if you like the software, to explain how you can get it and how you can use it, and to sell it to you and coach you in using it.